We just started 2023, guys, and it's just been a couple days. Today is the 14th of January, but I think this year is gonna be so big. It's gonna be so much full of celebrations. That's gonna be quite different from the past 2 years that we had. Just right now, let's talk about what's happening. Couple of events. Meron tayo dyan sa Aklan, which is Ati-atihan. Meron tayo dyan sa Cebu, the big Sinulog Festival that's happening. Mga deboto ni Santo Niño. Also here in the Manila area, in Traslacion, para sa Poong Nazareno. And many, many more other festivities, events that are happening right now. And that's so exciting. I think that's really a big thing for us this 2023 for the Philippines. As we know it, the Philippines is one of the destination countries. Ito yung kinoconsider na tourism. Our economy really relies heavily on tourism, people coming in, and we welcome millions actually of people from different parts of the world. The Americans, Koreans, Chinese, you name it. A lot of people want to come here. They want to spend time, go and explore, or just be on the beach. Sa Boracay, sa Palawan, sa Bohol. But now, we just starting. January pa lang, ang dami na nangyari. And ang dami na ring taong pumupunta, mga turista, mga deboto, mga pilgrims. And that gets me so excited to see people are out there. We're not limited. We're not just at our homes. We're not just sitting down in front of our TVs or our computers. We're actually there. For so long, we've been wanting that freedom. We want to move around, and we're finally able to do so. And I see from the pictures, from the Facebook feeds, it has drawn a lot of people to come to these certain festivities. Millions, millions. We're talking about hundreds of thousands, thousands of people, and millions will be coming this year. It's gonna be big for the Philippines, and I hope that continues. I hope that everybody's gonna come here. Will have a great time and will be healthy. And para sa ating mga business owners, is also exciting. When I look at it, when I watch it from FB Live or when I watch it on YouTube, I see many opportunity, especially when people are wearing their clothes outside. Kasi we know the Philippines is humid. There's gonna be sweats. Papawisan yan when they spend their time outside. They join the festivities, the parades, and all the dancing. So one of the best way you can take advantage of this is making a special promotion. Maybe if you're a foreigner traveling to the Philippines, you have a foreigner discount. Maybe you yourself as a business owner have this special devotion to Poong Nazareno, Santo Niño, and you want to give back to the community, when you want to give back to the people and also give back to God, to the church, you offer that special promo. Or if you attended, this is the special promo that I can give you a 10% discount. Uh, Another thing is you really love the Philippines. You want to welcome everybody. One of the best things about being a Filipino is that they remember us as being a hospitable country. Everybody's smiling. Everybody's having a good time. Everybody's just so welcoming, and we want to give that experience, extend that experience to our tourists. So, if let's say, for example, you're in the area of Ati-atihan, you want to give out that best experience to people. You can also consider doing some kind of special discount promotion, people attending and just appreciating our culture, coming to see the beauty the wonder of our motherland, yun nga, the Philippines. And that's how you think and take part of it. You're not just, or we're not saying that, oh, let's take advantage, let's make money out of this events. But what we really want to do is make this experience quite special for somebody out there. Maybe this is the first time they've come to visit and see the Philippines. Maybe they're looking forward to a special connection with the local people here, or just uh, living out their devotions. So if you yourself have that special connection or have that devotion, you can share it with people who are coming here trying to experience it for themselves. So I think that's gonna be really big for your business. It's quite special. Never know, it could be a big hit. Could be something that will really help you boost your sales and also add to your profits. But what we want to try to do is deliver something really good experience for people to remember and never forget that the Philippines was the place that they always want to come and visit, and this is the laundry shop of choice whenever they're here in the country. So guys, I think that's one of the best thing that I can share with you today, as we also want to have fun, go out there and enjoy and experience the beauty of our culture. Just make sure we're doing it for the right reasons also. And at the same time, we're sharing a good experience to everybody. I think that's what it's all about. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you've been learning a lot, and I hope I'm able to give you more valuable information for the next videos that I'm gonna make. So I ask you guys to just subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so I can continue to make videos like this, that maybe on the topic of laundry business. Kasi this is really my experience. This is part of my day to day, and I'm just so happy that I'm able to do this and share this with you all. All right, and thank you. And I'm really excited whenever I see people watching, and we're hitting thousands of views on a daily basis. So thank you, guys.